Oxalis plant profile. Oxalis is the largest genus in the family Oxalidaceae, with over 550 species native to every continent except Antarctica. They are often referred to as wood sorrels and as false shamrocks. Some Oxalis species can be grown as annuals or perennials, depending on your climate and zone. Note that in some regions, Oxalis are considered invasive. Oxalis triangularis, is commonly grown as a houseplant and gifted on St. Patrick's Day because its foliage resembles the lucky shamrock. The oxalis's clover-like foliage can be variegated or solid green or burgundy. In addition to its attractive leaves, the plant has delicate flowers. It will often go winter dormant and then recover when placed in sunlight. Give it an all-purpose houseplant fertilizer about once a month. It prefers to grow in bright indirect or direct light and temperatures between 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, never below 60 degrees. Water it once a week and let it dry out partway between waterings. The most common cause of yellow leaves is overwatering, which causes root rot. Oxalis is considered toxic for pets due to its oxalic acid that can cause kidney damage. Some oxalis are called butterfly shamrock because their leaves fold up at night or on cloudy days and then reopen when the sun shines. They may also stretch out their leaves to reach as much sunlight as possible. Oxalis, you can grow that.